have the elevators. Oh yeah, and they still sit on peak up.
Man, I need a whole 10.
Technically 12.
Oh, is it another one of those buildings where?
L and 1.
Yeah. I don't know why they do that. I mean, I know that's an English style or European style.
They do 0.
Yeah, they do 0 or G.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I always tell people that at Porter, I'll say it's British, and they're like, "What?"
I wonder if the ballroom's open today. Hold on, come out. You can get a view of it. That's neat. I've never seen that. Look, Kone lantern. Let's get the chime. We can hear a chime.
Over here, though.
There is. We'll go in the lobby. Here, let it close. Hold on. Oh yeah, now you can push it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ugh.
So this is a Kone model.
Originally Dover.
This just read to 1.
L.
Well, if we read to L, then we're in the lobby again.
Yeah, that's where the bathrooms are.
There's a bathroom right there.
No, we can.
Oh, you just want to
Those
use
might be locked. I know the lobby ones are open.
Okay.
Let me get it.
It's got a wheel issue.
Yeah. Oh, you know something interesting?
What?
This elevator used to have a rear door. It doesn't anymore. But that's it.